In a bustling city full of noise and distractions, there lived a successful but stressed businessman named Kenji. His life was filled with meetings, deadlines, and an endless stream of notifications. Despite his achievements, Kenji felt a growing emptiness. His mind was constantly racing, and his heart longed for peace. One day, while flipping through an old book in a quiet cafe, Kenji stumbled upon a quote: "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." Intrigued, he began researching its origins and discovered the teachings of Zen. Eager to understand this philosophy, he decided to visit a Zen monastery hidden in the mountains. Upon arrival, Kenji was greeted by a calm and humble monk named Toshi. "Why have you come here?" Toshi asked. Kenji replied, "I want to learn how to find peace and clarity in my chaotic life." Toshi smiled and said, "Then let's start by simplifying." Kenji expected hours of meditation lectures, but instead, Toshi handed him a wooden spoon and led him to the monastery kitchen. "Your task is simple," Toshi said. "Cook a pot of rice." Kenji laughed. "That's it? I came all this way to cook rice." Toshi nodded. "Yes, but remember, focus only on cooking the rice." Reluctantly, Kenji began. At first, his mind wandered to his emails, his meetings, and his plans for the future. He hastily measured the water in rice, letting his thoughts distract him. The result? Burnt rice. Toshi observed silently and said, "When your mind is cluttered, even the simplest tasks become difficult. Try again, but this time clear your thoughts. Pay attention to the rice, the water, and the fire. Nothing else matters." Kenji sighed but agreed. He poured the rice into the pot, carefully added water, and lit the flame. This time, he focused on the sound of the bubbling water, the aroma of the cooking rice, and the warmth of the fire. For the first time in years, his mind felt calm, fully immersed in the simplicity of the task. When the rice was ready, Toshi tasted it and smiled. Perfect. Simplicity doesn't mean doing less, it means doing with presence. In simplicity, there is clarity. In clarity, there is peace. Over the following days, Toshi taught Kenji to approach every task with the same mindset: walking, cleaning, even breathing. Slowly, Kenji began to see the beauty in life's simplest moments. He realized that by decluttering his mind and focusing on what truly mattered, he could unlock a deeper sense of fulfillment. When Kenji returned to the city, he transformed his life. He simplified his schedule, let go of unnecessary distractions, and embraced mindfulness in his daily routine. The chaos didn't disappear, but his new Zen mindset allowed him to navigate it with grace. Closing reflection for the video: simplicity is not about having less, it's about appreciating more. When we clear the clutter from our minds and lives, we unlock the power of presence, peace, and purpose. Like this story?